Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a very delicious, quick, less than 30 minute or about 30 minute meal. We got asparagus, salmon, and roasted red potatoes on the menu. And I am excited because I love salmon, I love asparagus, and I love red potatoes. So I don't feel like I'm going to be disappointed, and I doubt you will either. So I got my ingredients pretty much prepped and ready to go. So if you're interested in how I made this meal and you want to try it too, then keep watching. So we're going to start out with the roasted red potatoes because, oh shoot, they take the longest. 30 minutes though, not super long, but they take the longest. So we're going to get them in the oven and started first. So I just have them pretty much quartered. I got about 3, I guess, medium-sized potatoes. And I keep my olive oil on this just because I love how this pours. So put some olive oil, probably 2 to 3 tablespoons, I guess that was. I'm gonna add some salt. Obviously, I would definitely add more pepper than salt. Fresh garlic, I pretty much cut, minced up, whatever. I'll put a little olive oil on here too, because we do not want these potatoes to stick. I do not want that to happen. And that's how they should look, nice and garlicky, salt, peppered up, but very simple. Actually pretty thick and big, like I like it. Definitely skin on. Don't serve me salmon if the skin is not on. I love salmon skin. Alright, so now we got the seasonings. I'm gonna start out with a little bit of black pepper. Do the backside first. Pepper. A little onion powder. It's 9. Garlic powder. And go to jail for you. With a paprika, mainly for color. Let that seasonings sit on that salmon, and then we're going to make the cream sauce. For the cream sauce, you're going to need, you got butter, 4 tablespoons, about a tablespoon of better than bouillon lobster base, which was hard to find, but I think is going to be worth it. Garlic paste, sodium chicken broth, since we're using a better than bouillon, which has a good amount of sodium, as well as Cajun seasoning, which has a good amount of sodium. Put in there. All right, so we got the lobster base. We'll put about a tablespoon of that in here. You too. You can see it's the garlic paste now. About a tablespoon of garlic paste. A heaping tablespoon of flour. I was about 2/3 cup, but I just wanted to add it, get it done so we can make our little roux. All right, so we did about 2/3 cups. I'm gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna come back to this cream sauce once the salmon is done and add the Parmesan cheese. So avocado oil. Put a good amount of that in there. There we go. All right, we're gonna flip this salmon. Nice and crispy. I like. Let that go for a minute. So salmon's pretty much cooked. Now we're gonna take off this little handle because I don't know if it's oven safe. I don't know. But we're gonna finish it in the oven for maybe 5 minutes. I cooked it pretty well. Put that in for 5 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna do the asparagus. I got them washed and trimmed a little bit. Put them in just like a dry pan, nothing at all, just dry pan. Just so I can kind of burn them a little bit with a little bit of salt and some pepper. Sauce is pretty much done, but we're also going to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning to the sauce. Okay, it's the olive oil for the asparagus. They've been roasted a little bit. We're going to add some olive oil to them. Ooh, yeah. Right? And turn the heat down. Just blistered enough. Let's get this in here. Now we got some lemon, so we're going to do some lemon zest as well. A little bit of Parmesan cheese in here, because you don't want to add cheese when like it's piping hot. Get that weird texture that I do not like. Make sure the salmon is nice and buttery and based. All right, so just plate this up now. We got some perfect looking salmon. How good does that look? Yum. A little bit of cream sauce to our salmon. Oh, yes. So here we go. We have our dinner. All right, let's try this. First, I'm gonna dive into the salmon with the sauce. Let's see, it looks good. But let's try some more. Good. Alright, let's try this asparagus. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I would give it like a good 9.5 out of 10. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.